Mr. Pooh, you're not getting this. No, you're not. Come on, Birbs. Big storm. Come on, in you come. Hello, come on. Don't you even think about it, poophead. Come on, other boobies. No, you don't. You are not fighting the Birbs. Come on, other boobies. Why aren't you down here? Come on. There we go. You shite of a Birb. Come on. In you come. Hey. No, you don't. Come on, other Turks. You come in before Mr. Pooh. There he goes again. Stormy weather, eh, Birbs? No sneaky pats. Other Birbs are too far away. What are you doing up there, hey? What are you doing? Why don't you come down? It's only one step. Hop, skip, and a jump. Come on. Come on. Well, hello, Pants Birbie. Yes, Pants Birbie. You gonna sneak up? Yes, Pants Birbie. Pants Birb. Come on, you lot. In you come. Come on, you two. Oh, you're a wet Birbie. You're a really wet Birbie. And you too. You decided to visit anyway. Yeah. It's gradually cleaning out the side here because all the mud runs down. Oh, look at the dirt on you. Look at the dirt. Oh. Oi. Bugger off. No, Mr. Pooh, you are not included today. Come on. Come on, wet Birbs. I see. Turkey's trying to go in the storage. Hello. Hello. Yes. Think I should get you some more, do you? Come on, Pants Birb. Come on, Pants Birb. In you come. In you come. Hello, wet birds. No, you don't. Come on. Hello, you wet thing. Hey. Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. That's Chucky calling in the distance. No, don't even think about it. Chucky, where are you? They're all calling because of the storm. Hello? Hello? Oh. No, yet. You are not tormenting the Birbs. You are not tormenting the Birbs. No, you're not. You are not. You can POQ. Yes. You can come in, other turks. Oh, I see. You're perching on the car. You're leaving, like, you have to wash it, you know. You're gonna have to I'm gonna have to wash it. I know you want to come on my shoulder. Yeah, you do. I know. I mean, I gotta wash it, clean everything anyway, but... Right. Excuse me. No. You? Yeah. Hello, you other Birbs. Look at all you hopeful Birbs. Look at all you hopeful Birbies. Oh, Fluffy Taylor. Fluffy. Fluffy. Look at the dirt you're leaving. I have to wash the car. Why don't you come down, Fluff? Hey? What's going on? I gotta wash that now. Undercover Birbs. Secret squirrel Birbs. Little Birbs. Yeah. Aerial view of Birbs. Yeah, come on down. It's like a game show. Come on down. Quack, 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 quack. Sneaky pat. Who's getting a sneaky pat? Who's getting a sneaky? Oh, look at you. You're tripping over yourself. Oh, turkey. Hello. 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 No. Come on, in you come. Bugsy! Bugsy! Bugsy bird! Bugsy Wugsy! Oh. Come on. Yes, Pants? I know. You playing the game? You playing the game, Pants Bird? Look, Pants. Rat, rat. Hey. Oh, hello, Squeakies. Hello, Squeakies. Yes. Don't you scratch the car. You're lucky, you know. Yeah. You want some, do you? You want some? You're going to come down? What are you going to do? Beep, beep. Right, let's get you some more. Excuse me. Oh, you're eyeballing this. Yeah, you're going to come and get it? You're going to come and get it? No. Come on. There you are. Hey. Pants Booby. Pants Booby. Hey, Pants. Hello. Hello, hopeful Birbs. Hey. You almost fell off, hey? What are you doing, hey? Come on. Come and get it. You gotta come and get it. Oh, I see. My shoulder. It's a good thing. Bugsy, Birbie. It's a good thing that I'm going to be washing everything after this. Birbie. Hello, Bugsy. Glitchy cam. Bugsy bird. Bugsy Wugsy beautiful bird. Go, Bugsy. Go, Bugsy. Pants Bird. Go, Bugs. Pants Bird.